Hey everybody, this is Ryan Harris with Purdue Extension in Spencer County, and today we are going to do a cloud in a jar experiment. So in this video, we will be taking a look at some cloud science and how clouds are formed. And to do that, we will need some ice cubes, and I have a bowl full of them right there on the right, but you'll only need a few. You'll need an empty glass jar, and then I have some warm water on the left. Just about a third of a cup, and then some hairspray in the back there. You guys could also use a match with some parental supervision to form the cloud, but I have some hairspray here that the water vapor will actually latch onto. So our first step for completing this experiment will be to take some of our warm water, and then we're going to put just enough in it to fill the bottom of the jar, just like this. And then swirl it around in the jar so that the sides also become warm. And then what we'll do is we'll put our jar lid upside down on top of our jar just like this. And then we will put some of our ice cubes on top of the upside down lid. And what's happening here is the warm water vapor inside of the jar is colliding with our cold air created by the ice cubes. So just enough ice cubes to fill the top of the lid there, and then we're going to let that sit for just about 20 seconds before putting either our hairspray in or our smoke from our match. So what's happening right now is our water vapor, our warm water vapor from inside of the jar is condensing and cooling down whenever it comes into contact with our colder air created by our ice cubes. Now, clouds only form whenever they have something to latch onto, whenever all of the water vapor has something to latch onto, and that's why we have the hairspray here. So I'm going to spray just a bit of the hairspray inside of the jar, just so the water vapor has something to latch onto and we can see if a cloud starts to form. So here goes the hairspray. And then almost immediately, you can see a cloud starting to form. It is a little bit harder to see on the video, but we are going to let this form and shape up just a little bit more, and then we can hopefully see it after we lift our jar lid. Now I'm going to lift the lid so you guys can see our cloud that has formed. And you guys can kind of see it trickling out there. It's a little bit harder to see on the video. But that is how clouds are formed. Water vapor condensing and then latching on to either dust particles or sometimes even pollution in the air. So that's all you guys need to make a cloud in a jar. You guys will just need some ice and some water, a jar, and then something for the water vapor to condense onto, which in this case I used hairspray, but you guys are welcome to use either smoke from a match or really anything that you can find for the water vapor to condense onto. So have a great day everybody, and we'll see you soon for more videos.